Hi guys, how are you doing? Nancy Ume here, and today we are going to be making Scotch eggs. Now this snack is so delicious and you might want to try this one. Now we're going to peel the casing from the sausage. I don't know why I didn't just press this thing from the bottom, but yeah, just find a way to peel it. And then season with some chicken seasoning, parsley flakes, or whatever herb you have, garlic powder, white pepper or black pepper, onion flakes or onion powder, and curry. Stir together. Now I love the spices. You could actually add any spices you like. You could even add suya spice to make it more delicious. Now remember, sausages are salty, so you might want to skip the salt for this one. Now boil your eggs for 8 minutes. You could add some bicarbonate to make it easier to peel. You could also crack it before you put it in the cold water to make it very easy to peel. Now when you peel your eggs, you set them aside and you get your other stuffs ready. Your sausages, you cut into the parts. If you're making 3 eggs, you want to cut into 3 parts. Use some plastic bags to flatten the sausage. You could use parchment paper too if you have some. It just makes it easier for you to wrap the eggs around it. Now you put your eggs in some flour first, and then try to cover as much as possible. This might be very difficult to pinch, and cover all those edges, but just try as much as possible to cover the egg with the sausage before you dredge in the flour. Now cover the entire surface too with some flour, like so. And you season your breadcrumbs with chicken seasoning, parsley, and black pepper. Basically whatever you like, to be honest. Put your balls in the egg mix. That's just eggs, by the way. And the breadcrumb mix. Coat the entire surface. And you might want to do everything first before you start to fry them, so it to make everything easier for you. Yeah. Coat. Now we're going to fry. Now we're deep frying in some vegetable oil for about 5 minutes. You're gonna flip. I didn't want to waste my oil because these breadcrumbs, and they just destroy the oil when you try to fry, and you can't use the oil again, so you don't have to fill up the pan. Just a little oil. Fry till it's golden brown. Yeah, and that's it basically. Your Scotch eggs are ready, and they're so delicious. You might want to have them with some salad as breakfast, as a snack. Enjoy!